Before you begin to replace your printhead, ensure you have plenty of ink in each cartridge. Replace any ink cartridges that appear low. On the home screen, press the gear to select the Settings adjustment menu. If the tab selection screen is not displayed, press the Home button. First, select Maintenance on the screen. Then select Head Replacement on the screen. Ink begins being drawn in from the printhead. This process takes about 2 minutes to complete. When it finishes, open the top cover. Instructions are now shown on the display screen regarding printhead replacement. The printhead carriage will be visible when you open the top cover. When lifting the blue latches that hold the printhead in place, take careful notice of these link levers on the side of the printhead. If the latches are snapped out too quickly, it is possible for the link levers to pop off. This will prevent a snug connection of the latches when putting back in place, preventing use of a new printhead. Pull the printhead lever forward all the way, then pull up the printhead cover to open it completely. To avoid damage, do not touch any other exposed element of the printer. Remove the printhead and press OK. Open the new printhead and hold it by the grips. Carefully remove the orange protective pieces without touching the sensitive areas on the printhead. With the nozzles facing down and the metal contacts toward the back, insert the printhead into the carriage and carefully push the printhead into the carriage. Put the printhead cover and lever back into place. Close the top cover. It will take about 7 minutes for the printhead to replenish with ink and be ready to print.